Hello friend, welcome again your own channel. So today's video is going to be very special for you because today I am going to talk about Oppo handset. Many complaints are coming in the comment section on Oppo. So today's video is only for Oppo viewers, which is very valuable. So you just follow with us and unlock your phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you can understand this whole process and you can unlock any Android phone. So let's start the process. So as you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked, as you can see on the screen, and you will see below it that an emergency calls option is coming. Sorry, emergency call will also be visible here. You have to press it. You have to press it. So the process that is being used here is called offline method, and none of your application and data will be deleted in this video. So one thing you have to take care of, that your phone should be in flight mode. So our phone is in flight mode, and check your battery percentage minimum 40 to 50%. So I'm going to share you some Google FRP code which is very applicable for only Oppo viewers. And one thing, friend, what I am telling in the code may support in many Oppo handset but may not support in many handsets. So please confirm through the comment section. So let's start this process, and I'm going to share you Oppo FRP Google FRP code which I have to receive from Google. So this code is very simple. Just you apply this code and you can unlock your Oppo handset. So this code is a star hash 658075 star 755 and hash. After that you have to press call button, and minimum you have to press 5 times. Call failed option is coming. Ignore this message, and after press 5 times, please erase this number and apply this code star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see engineer mode page is open. First check your software version or mainboard version. So actually this is not a Oppo handset, so here showing Android version. So in your Oppo handset it here showing, here it will be show mainboard version. So apply your mainboard version. What your mainboard versions, please press the same. So I'm going to press 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After that you come back from this option and please again check your manual test, and second row you can see through the device debugging page there are also so many options is coming. So first you check your sensor self and test calibration, and you can see, as you can see, gyroscope and accelerometer both are operation not started. First you check, first click on the same time. Now you can see in first time in text past, and come back from this option and see through the check through the proximity sensor test. And there are also three options is coming. So press on proximity calibration only and confirm here, and come back from this option and check. And last option and most important option is others option. There are also five option is coming. So what I did in before few minutes back, an Android version or mainboard version, because here showing Android version is 12. So I am going to merge with the mainboard version or database version. So press here in database version or mainboard version 12 time. Similarly, your Android version is 896 whatever. So press here the same. So I am going to press here 12 time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. After that you can see, check your delete important log test, don't confirm, press cancel. Second time you please confirm here, and your password pin pattern reset is okay, wrong password is showing. So you can see through the reading reset complete indicator also. So there pass option. So friend, now it's done. After completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So press the home button. So friend, as you can see, friend, phone is unlocked without any application lost or and without data lost. So I hope you guys you like this video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Bye.